everyone. Welcome to PA Wealth and Investment Services Group. Read stock research updates on our blog, link is given in the description box below. You are always welcome to contact us. We would be delighted to share with you our latest thoughts or discuss your investment objectives in greater detail. Now let's begin our video. In this video, you will know the details about Symphony Limited. So keep watching. Symphony Limited was founded in 1988 in Gujarat, India. Symphony established a new category of evaporative air cooling in India, taking it to the global level. As a disruptor of a highly unorganized sector, the company has set high benchmarks comprising 201 trademarks, 64 registered designs, 15 copyrights and 48 patents, defining the gold standard of air cooling. Symphony markets its products in more than 60 countries, making it possibly the most widely available air cooling brand in the world. These countries include Australia, China, Mexico, USA, UK, UAE, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, Spain and almost all African and Southeast Asian countries. Moreover, Symphony Limited was awarded the Guinness World Record for creating the world's largest functioning air coolers. The company also provides solutions through its world's largest air cooling project in Makkah Madinah at Hajj Camp and India's largest air cooling project at Patanjali Yoga Bhavan, Haridwar, India. Mr. Achal Bekari, son of a property developer, started the business of air coolers in 1988 by borrowing the seed money from his family. The company got listed on stock exchange in 1994. Between 1995 and 2000, the company diversified into air conditioners, washing machines, and other durables. Unfortunately, the strategy of many products one market did not suit the company. It went into financial stress and restructuring. The company stood the test of time by changing its strategy. From a single market, multiple products company, Symphony Limited evolved into a single product company with multiple markets. Further, company acquired IMPCO in North America, Kerui Lai in China and Climate Technologies Pty Limited in Australia. At present, Symphony is world's largest manufacturer of air coolers with a presence in over 60 countries. Now let's know the shareholding pattern of the company as on the 30th of September 2021. The total of promoters and promoters groups holdings are 73.25%, public institutes are holdings 4.87%, mutual funds, UTI holds for 8.96% and public non-institution holds for 12.92%. Achal Anil Bekari is having the largest promoters shareholding with 41.83%, whereas Sanskrit Tradecom Private Limited having the second largest promoter shareholding in the company with 17.84%. Now let's know the executive board members of the company. Mr. Achal Bekari is the present chairman, managing director and founder of the world's largest air coolers company. In 1988, he founded Symphony Limited with the aim of providing economically viable cooling solutions that would be accessible to all. Mr. Rupesh Shah is the executive director of the company. He is responsible for corporate affairs, growth, performance, strategies, merger and acquisitions, finance, MIS, secretarial, legal, treasury, etc. Ms. Jonaki Bekari, one of the daughter of Achal Bekari, is at the position of non-executive director in the company. She has an experience in various business functions including sales and marketing, accounts and finance, legal and product development. Mr. Amit Kumar was appointed as CEO and additional director of the company with effect of the 2nd of August 2021. Now we will discuss the domestic air cooler industry. The domestic air cooler industry size is about 8 million units in terms of volume and rupees 4,000 crore in terms of value. The industry is dominated by unorganized industry while value market share of organized market share is mere 25%. Symphony commands approximately 50% market share in the organized category in financial year 2020-21. The air cooler industry market in India is expected to reach rupees 9,000 crore in the next few years following increased incomes and temperatures, widened market presence, increased aspirations and a cost advantage over air conditioners. The air cooler segment can be categorized into residential and industrial segments. Now let's know the group structure of Symphony Limited. Symphony Limited has global subsidiaries in 5 countries. It acquired IMPCO, a North America-based company, in 2009, Guangdong Symphony Kerui Lai Air Coolers, GSK, China, in 2016 and Symphony Climatizadores Limitada, SCL, in Brazil. Let's know the products offers by the company. Symphony Limited is the largest air cooler manufacturer in the world. 97% of the revenue of Symphony Limited comes from the sale of air coolers. It provides air cooling products in the residential, industrial and commercial segments. Moreover, company added new clients for their industrial cooling segments such as Big Basket, Delhi Very and Hawkins. Let's move to portfolio of global brands. Company's portfolio consists top-notch 6 brands over the globe. To name a few are Master Cool, Arctic Circle, Airzona. Let's understand the revenue segment of the company. Company is in core business of manufacturing of air coolers, selling it within domestically and globally via exporting. Over the years there has been a healthy increase in the revenue from exports. In March 2021, sales generated through domestic stood at 48%, whereas sales through exports stood at 52%. Symphony Limited has only one major segment, air coolers, all over the world. The company has direct business presence in 4 continents and markets products across more than 60 countries. These countries include Australia, China, Mexico, USA, UK, UAE, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, Spain and almost all African and Southeast Asian countries. Revenue breakup by product segment as of financial year 2021. Revenue from industrial coolers accounts for 70%, household and commercial cooler accounts for 20% and spare parts accounts for only 10%. Let's discuss the details of operational parameters and other key parameters. Advertisement expense. The company continued its advertisements even during the lockdown period to protect its share of mind and market share. In financial year 2021, company spent 2.78% of sales on advertisement expense against the 4.05% of sales in previous year. Raw material expense. Raw material prices, especially plastic and steel, increased substantially in Q3 financial year 2021. However, the management took price increase with effect from the 1st of January 2021, thus passing on the price hike to customers. In financial year 2021, company's raw material expense stood at 26.44% of sales against the 23.02% of sales in previous year. Free cash flows. Over the years, company's free cash flow has shown a very volatile performance. In financial year 2021, free cash flows of the company dropped to rupees 68.99 crore from rupees 137.32 crore. It was due to COVID pandemic and disruptions due to lockdowns in every economies. Let's have a look on financial parameters. Net sales grew at a normal rate over the past 10 financial years. During the year financial year 2021, there was a decline in sales compared to the previous year due to the prevalence of COVID-19 pandemic. This led to large unsold inventory in most countries as there were no sales during the summer months because of local lockdowns. The maximum impact of the decline was observed in the first 3 quarters. Recovery started from the 4th quarter. Sales in the regions of Middle East, Africa, and Europe were more or less at the previous year's levels. Net profit grew at a lower pace and profit after tax fell by 52% in financial year 19. The year marked by weaker consumer sentiment affected heavily to company like Symphony that is driven by consumer pull. There is no expansion in PAT margin, operating profit margin, return on equity and return on capital employed in last 3 years. Dividend payout ratio of the company. The company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout. The dividend payout ratio in financial year 2020 was 88.67, whereas in financial year 2021 it was stood at 32.58. Let's understand the management discussion and con call highlights of financial year 2021. The company with a view to improve EBITDA growth in financial year 2022. The management expects its Australian subsidiary Climate Technologies Private Limited to witness a massive turnaround in financial year 2022 and increase its contribution to top line. The management plans to introduce a new range of small commercial air coolers in the Australian market. Exports are expected to increase and the management believes the contribution of the exports from India, except foreign operations, would be more than rupees 100 crores in financial year 2022. The company launched Do It 3D, Sumo, High Flow and Do It IS in their commercial air cooler and cooling fan segment for the Indian market. Due to the unexpected bankruptcy of FAMSA, a major appliances and furniture retailer in Mexico and also one of IMPCO's top customers, the company had to write off a debt of $21.9 million MXP, 7.16 crore Indian rupees. This affected the profitability for the year. Now let's know the management outlook. Owing to enhanced rural electrification, increasing urbanization, and the impact of global warming, the Indian air cooler market is anticipated to report attractive growth. The residential sector will continue to be a dominant buyer in the Indian air cooler market due to the larger portion of the country's population belonging to the lower and middle income bracket and the rapid implementation of urban and rural housing projects by the government. Positive outlook. 1. Strong growth aided by overseas subsidiaries. The company's consolidated revenues grew 36% year-on-year as demand improved post-easing of lockdown. 2. Indian appliances and consumer electronic industry. The Indian electrical appliances market reached Rs 76,400 crore, $10.93 billion, in 2019 and is expected to double to reach Rs 1.48 lakhs crore, $21.18 billion, by 2025. Industrial air cooling market is worth Rs 10,000 crore and Symphony, being the only branded player in this segment, stands to take advantage of it. Also, it is a strong global brand. 3. Indian air cooler markets. Air coolers have emerged as one of the fastest growing segments within the consumer appliances space. They are energy saving, moderate in power consumption, are eco-friendly, and can cool effectively. 4. Focus on single product and innovation. Symphony has launched more than 30 models in the last 2 years and recently launched innovative models exclusively to be sold on e-commerce platforms. Further, the e-commerce business has almost doubled year-on-year, albeit on a small base. That's it for today. Read complete details about Symphony Limited by visiting our blog, link is given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe our channel for latest updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon.